Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to discuss Introduction to Programming and Python. The contents of today's presentation include a quick overview of what is programming, the benefits of programming, introduction to Python, the popularity of Python, and a quick comparison of other languages with Python. So, first of all, if we talk about programming, programming is the way of giving instructions to a machine to perform a task. Programming is also commonly known as coding, and giving instructions mean what to do and how to do it to a machine or specifically a computer. If we talk about the key takeaways from this definition, it's mean humans communicate with computers through programming or coding. So this is the way we talk with machines or we instruct machines what to do and how to do. The other thing is computer needs precise instructions. So as we instruct them what to do and how to do it, we need to be precise. It's not like computer can think on their own. Then the third thing is programming languages are used to write these instructions. So the way of telling computer what to do and how to do, we need to use programming languages. So what is a programming language then? So programming language is an artificial language, just like spoken languages are there, English, Urdu, Hindi, Chinese, and a lot of other languages are out there. So these languages are different than computer or programming languages. So that's why we are calling them artificial language that a computer understands. These languages are made of a series of statements that fit together to form instructions. So every language has some specific syntax and way of writing. But the basic building blocks and logics for most of the programming languages that falls under the same paradigm remains the same. So these instructions tells computer what to do. So by doing or writing in using some programming languages, we write instructions that are precise, and from that computer knows what to do and how to do. If we talk about the quick benefits of programming, so it helps us solving complex problems. It also helps us automating repetitive tasks. For example, I am doing something repetitively on my daily basis. So programming can help me to automate that process to avoid doing it on my daily basis. Building software and applications, for example, online application platforms, games, and enhance critical thinking and problem solving skills. So, programming and softwares can also help us to enhance our critical thinking and problem solving skills by using some game theory and other techniques. Now let's come toward Python. We have seen what is programming, what are programming languages. There are a number of programming languages. We will be discussing and seeing them along with Python. A quick overview of which language falls under which paradigm in the next slide. But let's have a quick overview of what is Python. So Python is a high level, interpreted and versatile programming language. It's a high level language. The other thing is it's versatile. Versatile mean it has been and it is being used in a number of applications in different domains. It is not a specific programming language that is something related to, for example, only web development or machine learning. It has been used in a variety of application domains. The other thing is Python is multi-paradigm languages. For example, it also supports the procedural paradigm and it also supports the object-oriented paradigm. It is created by Van Rossum in late 1980s, and it is also known for its simplicity and readability. If we talk about the key features of Python compared to the other languages, it focuses on readability, it supports indentation, and using that, it helps the readability of the code. Versatility, we already discussed it. It has been used in a wide number of applications throughout, you can say, the domains. Large scale standard library. Then lastly, community support. A lot of you can say programmers out there that actually are using Python. So a lot of community is available. So if you have any problem anywhere you are stuck, so a lot of people are out there that will help you to overcome that particular problem. So here is the, you can say, a quick breakdown of programming languages based on programming paradigms they follow. The three key paradigms are procedural, object-oriented, and functional. And then here we can see Python in the procedural as well as in the object-oriented paradigm as well. And there are other paradigms as well, and there are other languages as well that follows or falls under different paradigms. So this shows the versatility of application domains in which Python is being used. If we talk about the application domains, we can divide the application domains in web development, data science and AI, system and low level, mobile development and game development. Python is being used in most of them. So here we can see Python Pygame is there. Then we can see in data science AI, Python and R are the most popular languages being used. And in web development nowadays, AI-based solutions are being implemented, so Python is also there. If we talk about the popularity, we have also seen in the previous slide that it has been used in multiple domains. For example, in web development, Django and Flask is there, then data science, Pandas, NumPy libraries are there, machine learning, TensorFlow, PyTorch is there, and then in automation. And then the other thing is, this is the 2023 stats of most used programming languages by the programmers around the world. The stats are provided by Statista 2023. So we can see almost 50% of the users around the world or programmers around the world are using Python. Most of these two are, you can say, related to the web, but this is compared to the other languages just like Java, C Sharp, C++. Python is the one of the most popularly used one nowadays. Okay, so if we talk about the comparison of simplicity and how it is simple compared to other programming languages, so this is a quick comparison of a program that is written in Java and Python. So most of you, if you are new here or you are new to programming, it makes no sense what is written there. You will be learning this in a number of lectures. You can say these four lines are doing the same thing that actually this whole program is doing. So we can put an equal here. So this equivalent to this in Java and Python. So you can see how simple Python is. You don't need to specify the data types here, and then simply no need to put semicolon after every statement. It automatically detects based on line. So and indentation. So it's very convenient to use this. In summary, we have seen what is programming. Programming is a way of instructing computer what to do and how to do. Then what are benefits? Yes, we can automate things. We can develop or enhance our critical thinking and skills. Then programming languages are artificial languages that are tells or helps us to write instructions that tells computer what to do and how to do. Uh, if we talk about the comparison of other languages with Python compared to other languages, Python is pretty simple and it has a number of features that give advantage over the other languages. Then further, you can also explore more on Python. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this quick overview of introduction to programming, benefits of programming and introduction to Python, you can drop a comment and I will be happy to answer your queries. These are some of the additional resources and books you can explore further. In the coming video, we will be looking at how to install softwares for Python.